This part of the video will show you how you could watch the teacher's screen or videos if she is sharing any. If the teacher is sharing her screen and that you cannot see it, you will always find it on the right side here. This is the teacher's screen. You can always move it around, make it bigger or smaller. You can always go full screen if you want. If she finished sharing her screen or you want to look at the board again, you can always close or you can make it small at the side. If the teacher is showing a video and you cannot see it in front of you, you could always go to the button right here and it should open for you. You can move it around, make it bigger or smaller. If the video is not playing, it means the teacher paused it. Let's wait for the teacher to play it. The teacher has played it. If the teacher is not sharing her screen or making anyone watch any videos, you will see nothing. How can you do that from your phone or your tablet? If the teacher is sharing her screen, it should appear green on this side here, and you should just be able to click on it. Once you do, you should be able to see the teacher's screen. If you want to go back to look at the board, you can always click on X. If the teacher is making the students watch videos and you cannot find it anywhere, you should be able to click on this button here. And the video should be playing. If the video has stopped working, it means that the teacher has stopped it. Let's wait for the teacher to make it play. Now it's working.